Mommies and daddies in the house, please, big job. I am begging, stop bleaching the children's skin. Babies, toddlers, their skin is healthy the way it is. Their skin is fine the way it is. Don't start using bleaching products for them. If you want to bleach your own skin by yourself, using your hand to do yourself, do it yourself. Leave the children out of this. When they grow up, let them decide what they want. The children have healthy skin already. Their skin is still growing, and in case you don't know, their skin even regenerates faster than us adults. So if you think you want to bleach your skin fast, you want to all those things, please leave the children out of it. Don't destroy their skin. So when they grow up, they will not look at the mommy and dad and say, did you get? So they will not be like, let's see what mommy has done to my skin. But seriously, please don't. Just leave the children's skin the way it is. It is healthy the way it is. Let them enjoy their skin. Let it grow. So the highest you can do for their skin is just to what's it called? Don't mind my hair. I'm still gonna fix my hair. So the highest you can do for them, the children, is just allow their skin to breathe. Let it be moisturized. And because they go to school and they play and all those things, they are in the sun and all those, you can just use a good moisturizer for them, the one that has sunscreen in it. And when you're getting cream and all that for the children, check for the one that has sunscreen. So when they play in the sun, during their break time, how children play in the sun and without caring for, it's we adults that are always careful of sunburn, blah blah blah. But the children, they don't care. So what you want to do for them is just make sure their skin is always moisturized. Let them use a product that has sunscreen in it. Sunscreen, maybe something like titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. Okay, any good oxide that can help as a sunscreen. Almond oil, something with shea butter. For the children, just leave their skin, please. Hey, well, chai, see how they sweat, no? Oh god, it is well. Anyways, as I was saying, just what I think you should do for the children, you can just easily exfoliate their skin once in a while, say like twice a month or once in a month, depending on how your chance to, so just as your chance, you can just use Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate. So the real name is magnesium sulfate, or even sea salt, but magnesium sulfate is better. That's your Epsom salt. Just use it to do what Yoruba call ishira for the children. Okay, if you don't want to use that, you can just mix the magnesium salt with if you buy the one that is a bit stony, you can just blend it, put some palm oil on it, and then just use it to like exfoliate the children's skin. Leave it for some time and then start flushing it out. You see the dirt coming out from their skin. You see the dirt coming out. Exfoliate and wash their body very well. And when you're done washing their body, every part of their body, after washing it with that magnesium sulfate and so when you're done, you use the magnesium sulfate and the palm oil, the normal eco pupa that we know, palm oil. So blend it together, put it together, then you to exfoliate their body, all the parts of their body, exfoliate it well, their armpits, the dark areas. It even helps to even reduce body odor also. So if it's a child that has body odor, you can just easily just put a little of lemon juice or lime juice in the mixture. That is magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt, and then lime juice. But if the child does not have body odor, fine. What you just do is just put the two mixtures, magnesium sulfate and palm oil, and then exfoliate their body, and then wash off. Just wash it off. You didn't it for them. That one will exfoliate their body. Their real skin will come out as you want. That is real skin that you want, instead of bleaching their skin, making them fair by fire by force. Leave their beautiful skin the way it is. And when you're done, just use a very good moisturizer to moisturize their body. We have moisturizer for children if you want to, anyways. So my dear parents, what I'm trying to say, with these few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you that bleaching children's skin is not healthy, and at their tender age it makes their skin prone to cancer. I know you don't want that. Okay, so please just because children play in the sun, they don't really care for their skin like that. So don't make their skin prone to sickness that they'll be suffering from in the future. Okay, and in case you don't know, most of these chemical stuffs, they go straight into the bloodstream, and at the long run they disturb the liver, the kidney, and all that. And I know you don't want that for yourself, you don't even want that for your children. Okay, so please, parents, just exfoliate the children's skin with natural things for now. So as they grow, let them decide what they want. Emma bleach skin more. Please don't bleach their skin, but please exfoliate it and moisturize their skin. Thank you.